Hello Glaizit friends. As a ceramic artist, have you ever wanted to see all possible glaze combinations for a glaze that you have? You search social media, you take notes, but when it's time to glaze, you just can't find what you want. With Glaizit App searching and filtering, this will not happen. Glaizit aims to help ceramic artists with managing and exploring glazes and their combination. To search a glaze combination, go to the search tab and add a part of the base glaze name in the search bar. Let's see an example of this. Here we are searching for glazes with C in its name. Once clicking enter, Glaizit will show the results showing all the glazes with C in their name. Clicking on this icon will now show all the glaze combinations which have the base glaze with C in their name. Let's go back to look at searching for glazes and refining the search to look for seaweed. Clicking on the result will show you the details of the seaweed glaze. If you look below, it lists combinations that use this glaze, that is Ameco's seaweed, as a base glaze. Clicking this button will show the combinations in a full screen. Now let's go back and see how the filtering works. If you wanted to search for all seaweed combinations which are blue in color, glossy in finish, and are food safe, then applying the filter will show you all the combinations in Glaizit that match this criteria. Clicking on a result can give you more details on the glaze combination. Now if you want to remove the filter of blue color, you can click here. The result will now show glossy and food safe combinations. Similarly, you can filter for glazes too. Let's look at an example where we want to see all recipe based glazes which are glossy and blue. Removing the blue filter will now show all the glossy recipe glazes. Let's talk in detail about recipe glazes in another video. As you may have noticed, the search and filtering work on the parameters of the glaze when added in Glaizit. If a glaze was marked incorrectly as blue instead of green, it will be shown in the filter results while searching for blue. So do make sure you are adding correct information while adding a glaze in the Glaizit. To sum it up, search bar searches for the name of the base glaze and filtering works on the properties, that is brand, color, finish of the glaze. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand the search and filtering in Glaizit. Thank you for using Glaizit. We are here to help and support you. Please drop us a mail. Please like, follow and subscribe to Glaizit for more information.